Just a little baby alligator, about, the camera makes it look a little smaller, about 30 feet from me. Kind of drifting toward it as he's gone from right to left. I'll get him scared off in a few minutes here as I float toward him. Not going to get too close. Obviously, he's got more teeth than I got, and I definitely do not want to test how sharp his teeth are. But as he floats away, I'm floating toward him. The current's kind of taking me. Kind of a pretty day out here on the Ross Barnett reservoir. But obviously, I got to keep my eyes on this guy. He's probably, based on his head size, probably about 7 feet, maybe 8 feet. Not small potatoes what's behind that head, but he's out there. Let me see if I can get a little closer without splashing too much. Splashing is bad. Don't want to splash the water too bad. Hopefully I keep the camera on. Oh, he just went under. So I guess now I have to keep my eyes out, because who knows where he'll pop up.
Time 35 minutes.
Typical alligator
Distance
encounter.
0.8 miles.
Fortunately far
Average
away.
pace 40 minutes.
Oh well, time to sign off here.
Seconds
Maybe
per
I'll make
mile.
another
Current
video.
speed
Bye.
0.